Soon after Bill Chayakli votes, ZionRoots. Don't know.
Yeah, man, ZionRoots is back. Me rise up early pon Babylon day. Them got cameras in sky, still me kneel and pray. Me now wear crown, but me soul royal. Me heart beat truth, me roots loyal. Them build them walls from fear and stone, but love cut through like it full grown. Me now walk blind in the kingdom of lies. Me watch them fall while my spirit rise. Me see the chains dressed up in gold. Them sell freedom, but me nah sold. Me hold me faith like fire in hand. Iron curtains fall, but golden hearts stand. Golden hearts in a world so cold. We shine bright, never do what we told. System try fi blind with sight, but we rise with love, we chant for light. Iron curtains can't stop Jah breeze. Me soul a dance in the rebel trees. No man own the breath me take. Golden hearts nah bend, nah break. Them want me fi bow, want me fi hush, but me words a flame, me tongue a brush. Me paint revolution pon concrete wall. A mural of freedom fi one and all. Them play the puppet, them pull the string, but me hear Jah music, me only sing. Me nah take orders from no machine. Me soul clean, me vision green. Me hear the elders speak through rain. Them suffer long, them feel the pain. Now me carry torch, me light the dark. In a jungle city, me leave a mark. Golden hearts in a world so cold. We shine bright, never do what we told. System try fi blind with sight, but we rise with love, we chant for light. Iron curtains can't stop Jah breeze. Me soul a dance in the rebel trees. No man own the breath me take. Golden hearts nah bend, nah break. Me nah seek fame, me nah chase gold. Me hold me ground, me spirit bold. Them fear the truth, them fear the drum, but me roots deep, me nah go run. Every lie them feed, me reject. Me walk with love, me gain respect. Me nah need no weapon, just me mind. Me words a spark, me vibes divine. Me look pon the youth, me see the fire. Them eyes full of truth, full of desire. Them ready fi rise, them ready fi burn. Golden hearts wait fi Babylon turn. Golden hearts in a world so cold. We shine bright, never do what we told. System try fi blind with sight, but we rise with love, we chant for light. Iron curtains can't stop Jah breeze. Me soul a dance in the rebel trees. No man ZionRoots. Me step on street where silence reign, but me ears still catch the echo of pain. Them dress it up in shiny coat, but underneath a dark road. Me walk with ancient eye wide open. Them speaking lies, but me not broken. Me feel the tension in the air like truth a knock, but them not care. Me pass the youth stuck in phone trance. Me whisper Rasta, take a chance. Fi see beyond the flashing screen, where Jah vision always been. Me not in a rush, me take me time. Each footstep eat a rebel rhyme. Them system code like steel and glass, but soul still burn in the roots mass. Voices behind the veil still sing. Through Babylon eyes, me hear them ring. Them call me name from distant place. Fi bring back love, fi bring back grace. Voices behind the veil so true. Them guide me steps, them pull me through. Me chant fi light in this concrete jail. Me walk with voices behind the veil. Them push the fear, them sell the cure. But me know Jah Law forever pure. Me nah swallow every pill them give. Me choose to reason, me choose to live. In a world of clones and plastic vibe, me build me temple, me create me tribe. Me circle small but soul them strong. We nah go left, we nah go wrong. Them feed illusion through the wire, but me light fire, me climb higher. Each verse me chant break chain and light. Me lyrics rise like morning sky. Me see the elders in me dream. Them walk through smoke, them walk through steam. Them tell me sing, don't ever hide. Your words are both through wicked tide. Voices behind the veil still sing. Through Babylon eyes, me hear them ring. Them call me name from distant place. Fi bring back love, fi bring back grace. Voices behind the veil so true. Them guide me steps, them pull me through. Me chant fi light in this concrete jail. Me walk with voices behind the veil. Me nah fear them shadow throne. Me carry truth in every tone. Me nah dress up for their parade. Me wear me crown in dreadlock braid. The media twist, the system bend, but roots music never pretend. Me beat
Zion Roots. Oh, Zion Roots. Rise up and stand, we not bow for none. We chant Jah name under moon or sun. The wicked them run when the fire burn. The battle get rough, but the victory won. The righteous path, we trod it wide. We carry Jah light where we can't divide. The ghetto youths rise, we hold Jah guide. From the stormy seas to the mountainside. Them take the land but them can't take soul. We chant for the truth, Jah take control. The fire of Zion, it make we whole. Rasta vibrations, we reach we goal. Rise up and stand, the battle can't done. The fire blaze strong like the morning sun. We chant Jah psalms till the wicked run. We rise for the truth, the fight just begun. The system cold, but Jah love warm. We shield we heart from the wicked arm. The righteous rise like the morning calm. The psalms are the weapon, Jah name the charm. Them build them walls, but we break them down. We plant Jah seed in the fertile ground. We rise with the chant, the righteous sound. Babylon fall when the truth rebound. From the elder wise to the youth way stray, we guide them steps pan Jah way. The fire burn strong, it can't delay. We chant redemption for every day. Rise up and stand, the battle can't done. The fire blaze strong like the morning sun. We chant Jah psalms till the wicked run. We rise for the truth, the fight just begun. Stand firm, me people, the mission clear. Jah light a guide, we no live in fear. We chant Jah name, it can't disappear. Rise up and stand, Jah always near. Rise up and stand, the battle can't done. The fire blaze strong like the morning sun. We chant Jah psalms till the wicked run. We rise for the truth, the fight just begun. Rise up and stand, the battle can't done. The fire blaze strong like the morning sun. We chant Jah psalms till the wicked run. We rise for the truth, the fight just begun. Zion Roots, yeah. Woo. Zion Roots.
rise up, rise up. The struggle real, but we no give up. Jah bless me soul, me nah lose hope. Rise up, rise up. Them want see we fall, but we stand tall. No care about the system, them can't hold we down at all. We are warrior, me tell you, say me born for fight. Me light up the darkness, me shine so bright. Them try to lock me spirit in a cage. Them write the laws, but me turn the page. Just set me free, so me claim my place. Me walk with courage, me move with grace. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know said the victory are for mine. Me see Babylon them corrupt and cold. Them sell them soul for the diamonds and gold. But me no bow, me no sell out my faith. Me chant my songs, me no fear the hate. The youth them lost, them searching for guide. Me tell them look inside, no follow the lies. Jah give we wisdom, Jah give we light. Me walk with the truth, me walk with the right. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know I said the victory are for mine. Me chant for the people, me chant for the youth. Me chant for the elders, me chant for the truth. Me chant for the love, me chant for the light. Me chant for the freedom, me chant for the fight. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up. Me rise up early, dew on ground. Barefoot step where truth is found. Me hear the wind, me hear it moan. Like voices of prophets long time gone. Them warn we bout chains in a silver guise. Them said the system wear disguise. Gold teeth, big screen, plastic smile. But all them path is pure big guile. Me nah fall fi Babylon bluff. Me built from roots, me spirit tough. Me carry words like sacred flame. Me chant each verse in Jah name. Me see the towers high and proud, but underneath me hear the crowd screaming for justice, crying for peace. But Babylon hand never release. Dust of the prophets rise again, float through street like holy rain. Voice of truth not ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fit tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me sit in a silence overstand. How man trade soul fi piece of land. Them build the system strong like gate, but every gate still bound fi break. Now remember teachings of me forefathers, how them chant through fire, still them rise. Me nah go bout to take over, lords. Me read me fate in Jah stars. Me words them sharp like cane machete. Me truth not sweet, but it necessary. Them try fi blur the sacred line, but I walk straight, design divine. Me not trust no politician mouth. Them smile while robbing north and south. But in a me yard, me chant me psalm. Me spirit cool, me heart stay calm. Dust of the prophets rise again, float to street like holy rain. Voice of truth not ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me see the signs pon every wall. The ancient ones still make them call. Rise up people, no more wait. Truth not come from heads of state. Me say revolution start from soul, before we ever take back control. Free your mind, take off the chain. Dance pan style, feel the rain. Me plant me open fertile ground, where them system can't track nor hound. Me future bright, me steps them sure. Me chant feel love that will endure. Dust of the prophets rise again.
ZionRoots. Oh yeah. We not bow down. Jah warriors stand strong. Babylon can't hold we down. We step out strong with Jah light in my soul. Them try to break me, but my spirit never cold. The wicked a plan, but Jah plan greater. Me keep me faith, me no wait for later. Me see the youth them lost in a illusion. System tell lies, create the confusion. But we not stop fight, we stand firm. Jah fire keep burning, make Babylon learn. Them want silence we, but we voice too loud. We rise like the sunshine bright pon the crowd. Me say unity are the key for we win. No matter the trials, we rise again. Freedom fighters, rise up high. No more tears, no more cry. We burn the chains, we break this spell. Jah lead we, all is well. Freedom fighters, stand up tall. Babylon fall, them systems small. We hold the torch, we light the way. Jah bless we every day. Them try to divide we, them try to control, but me heart too strong, me spirit too bold. Them send the soldiers, them send the spies, but Jah wisdom open me eyes. So me chant the truth, me sing this song. Me walk with love, me stand up strong. No weapon form shall prosper here. Jah people rise, we got no fear. Me say no more chains on we hand and feet. We march for justice, we can't retreat. Truth and rights, that how we creed. We plant the seed, we watch it breed. Freedom fighters, rise up high. No more tears, no more cry. We burn the chains, we break this spell. Jah lead we, all is well. Freedom fighters, stand up tall. Babylon fall, them systems small. We hold the torch, we light the way. Jah bless we every day. Oh yeah. Me say freedom. Babylon can't hold we down. Jah warriors stand strong. Jah warriors stand strong.
ZionRoots, oh yeah. One love, one heart. We all are Jah children, me say we can't part. Love inna me heart, me say love inna the air. Spread the good vibe, show the world that you care. Some of them a fight, some of them a war, but love is the key, me say love carry far. No matter the color, no matter the race, we all one blood, me say one human place. The world full of madness, the world full of pain. Me chant for the love, me say me chant for the name. Jah bless the people, Jah bless the land. Me stretch out me heart, me stretch out me hand. One love family, stand up strong. No matter the struggle, we keep moving on. One love family, make we unite. No matter the darkness, we shine so bright. Them try divide we, but love bring we near. No space for the hatred, no space for the fear. Me tell the youth come together as one. The journey long, but the blessings are come. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain. Me know the sun I go shine again. We all one family, me say we all one heart. The world need the love, make the good vibes start. One love family, stand up strong. No matter the struggle, we keep moving on. One love family, make we unite. No matter the darkness, we shine so bright. No more war, no more fight, no more pain, only love tonight. No more hate, no more crime. Jah Jah love inna we all the time. One love family, me say one love crew. Jah bless the many, Jah bless the few. Me spread the good vibes, me spread the peace. One love family, the love can't cease. Jah guide my way every night, every day. No matter what come, me never go stray. Me wake up in the morning, give Jah the praise. Sunrise bless up my heart, my soul ablaze. Life not easy, but me nah complain. Jah give me the strength, me rise up again. Them try to hold me down, but me keep my pace. Them can't stop me light, me full with grace. Them talk, but me walk. Me trust in Jah, me no fear no dark. Jah guide my way when the road get rough. Jah light my path when the time get tough. Me keep my faith, me never go stray. Jah Jah lead me every night, every day. Some boy love the riches, them chase the gold. Sell them soul for the things, one never grow old. But me rather stay humble, me rather stay true. Me no need no vanity, my spirit brand new. The system set, fi trick your mind. Babylon one, you're deaf and blind. But my eyes open, me see the way. Jah guide me steps, me never betray. Jah guide me way when the road get rough. Jah light my path when the time get tough. Me keep my faith, me never go stray. Jah Jah lead me every night, every day. Fire burn Babylon, fire burn the lies. Me keep my focus, my eyes pon the prize. Them a try distract me, them a try confuse. But me stand firm, me never lose. Me see the youth them lost, them searching for hope. Me tell them chant Jah name, no need for dope. The answer there, just look inside. Jah love is real, no need for hide. Me rise up my voice, me sing for the truth. Me spread Jah message to all and youth. The wicked a fight, but them can't win. Cause Jah Jah love
Jah lead me every night, every day. Oh Jah, me give thanks and praise for the blessings me see every single day. Me nah lose hope, me nah lose sight. Jah guide my soul through the darkest night. ZionRoots, blessings flow. Jah love make the whole world glow. Me wake up early, give thanks and praise. Jah guide me through the hardest days. Me no fear no evil, me walk with grace. The blessings come, me embrace. Me see the struggles, me feel the pain, but me know sunshine follow the rain. Jah blessings, them never cease. Me find my strength, me find my peace. The journey tough, but me keep me stride. Jah walk with me, me know him beside. Every trial a lesson for grow. Me stand on the rock, me no move slow. Blessings flow from Jah above. My cup overflow with endless love. Every day, me see the light. Jah guide me through the night. Blessings fall like rain pon the land. Me trust in Jah, me hold him hand. No more sorrow, no more pain. Jah blessings fall like rain. Some a chase riches, some chase fame. Me chase righteousness in a Jah name. No silver, no gold can buy the peace. Jah love alone make the worries cease. The road get rough, the path get steep, but me keep my faith, my soul too deep. Jah guide me, Jah strong. Me sing me praise, me chant me song. The world full of chaos, full of fight, but me hold strong in a Jah light. Me see the wicked, them plan, them move, but me heart clean, me stand and prove. Blessings flow from Jah above. My cup overflow with endless love. Every day, me see the light. Jah guide me through the night. Blessings fall like rain pon the land. Me trust in Jah, me hold him hand. No more sorrow, no more pain. Jah blessings fall like rain. Whoa, oh yeah, yeah. Blessings flow. Me give thanks every day, me know. The Jah guide me keep fueling high. Me give thanks every day, me know. The Jah guide me keep fueling high. Blessings flow. Jah love make the whole world glow. ZionRoots, glitter pop in a display fit. ZionRoots, the darkness come but Jah light remain. We walk on the path through joy and pain. Them try to break we, but we sustain. The fire of Zion flow through we vein. The righteous chant make the system quake. The wicked them run, them can't partake. We call
Jah name, feed the world awake. The blessings flow like the morning lake. From the valleys low to the mountain high, we carry Jah love till the day we die. The truth are the weapon where we rely. Rasta vibration, we lift it high. Jah Light Eternal, it shines so pure. The love of Selassie make the world secure. We chant the psalms, the fire endure. The blessings of Zion forever sure. Babylon chains can't hold we tight. The spirit of Jah burn them out of sight. We rise with the sun, we fight the fight. We carry Jah love through the darkest night. Them plot them schemes, but Jah prevail. The righteous rise, the wicked them fail. We set the ship a sail, Jah guide we trail. The fire of truth make the system pale. We chant for the youth where I seek the way. For them Jah blessings light up the day. The love of Jah can't ever decay. We rise up strong with the psalms we say. Jah Light Eternal, it shines so pure. The love of Selassie make the world secure. We chant the psalms, the fire endure. The blessings of Zion forever sure. Yeah man, Jah light never dim nor fade. It blaze like the sun, make the darkness afraid. The righteous stand firm, we no get swayed. Jah Light Eternal, we life well made. Like the sun, make the darkness afraid. The righteous stand firm, we no get swayed. Jah Light Eternal, we life well made. ZionRoots. Oh, we fall down, we get back up, we rise again, me never give up. The world try to break me, me tough like a cup. Me strong in the spirit, me rising this up. We face the struggles, we face the pain, but me never let it hold me in a chain. We rise like the eagle, me fly in the rain. We trust in Jah, we free from the strain. Rise again, we rise again. We rise from the ashes, me rise from the sin. We rise again, we rise again. We walk with Jah, me ready fi win. Me face the challenge, me face the test. We trust in Jah, me know me blessed. Me rise up strong, me give me best. Me put me faith in a Jah, me heart at rest. Me rise from the sorrow, me rise from the dark. Me walk through the fire, me leave me mark. Me shine like a star, me bright like a spark. Me follow Jah's path, me leave a legacy to work. Rise again, me rise again. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the sin. Me rise again, me rise again. We walk with Jah, me ready fi win. Me rise through the pain, me rise through the strife. Me rise with Jah, me rise in a life. Me rise as a warrior, me rise as a wife. Me rise in a love, me rise through the strife. Let's go. Me born in a time where we scroll for truth, where likes decide the fate of youth. Them build a cage with flashy screen, while ancient spirits beg for seen. Me nah forget the drum and fire. Me chant for truth, me chant for higher. Me nah praise idols made of glass. Me walk with Jah through overpass. Me look in a mirror, me see me king, but Babylon whisper lesser thing. Me hear them voice say buy, obey, but me soul say rise, break away. Them take the culture, sell it cheap. Them water roots till them get weak, but me blood run from mountain stream. Me dream the dream, me build the dream. Digital chains round mind and soul, but I break free, me still whole. Ancestral flames light up the way. Me chant down lies every day. Digital chains in a modern shrine, but I move slow, me take me time. Ancestral fire in a me chest. Me chant for love, me chant for rest. Me say every scroll is another war. Them fight for mine, them touch a scar. Them sell illusion like precious gold, but the story real is yet untold. Me remember grand, ma teach me say, son them system make fi stray. But hold your ground, hold your name, hold your spark, hold your flame. Them tell the youths fi chase success, but never say how hard gets less. Me tell the youths, find your pace. You not in race, you in on grace. Me nah go live with eyes shut tight. Me sight beyond the neon light. The forest whisper, ocean speak. Me learn from earth, not from the weak. Digital chains round mind and soul, but I break free, me still whole. Ancestral flames light up the way. Me chant down lies every day. Digital chains in a modern shrine, but I move slow, me take me time. Ancestral fire in a me chest. Me chant for love, me chant for rest. Me tell the people, know your worth. You not born fi Babylon curse. We born fi rise, born fi be, born fi chant down system tree. Me nah beg fi view our fame. Me write me truth, me call Jah name. Me nah bend low fi wicked deal. Me soul stay sharp like Nyabingi steel. Me play me rhythm, me plant me yam, me build me
Zion call, we hear it clear. The voice of Jah whisper in our ear. The righteous rise, them can't interfere. The love of Selassie make the burden bear. The system crumble, it can't withstand. We chant Jah name for the promised land. We walk the path where Jah command, with the power of love in our hand. Them try to distract with the shiny things, but we focus on Jah, the King of Kings. We chant for the truth where freedom brings. The blessings of Zion make we spirit sing. Zion call, it echo high. The fire of Jah blazing at the sky. We rise on the truth, no need for lie. Zion call, we home, Jah can't deny. The valley deep, but Jah light bright. It guide we soul through the darkest night. The righteous stand firm, them hold Jah sight. We chant Jah psalms, the vibes ignite. Them take the goal, but we hold the faith. The power of Jah open the gate. We stand for the truth when no accommodate. Babylon crumble under Jah mandate. From the hills of Zion to the ghetto lane, we chant Jah name, we break the chain. The fire of Jah remove the pain. Zion call, we home again. Zion call, it echo high. The fire of Jah blazing at the sky. We rise on the truth, no need for lie. Zion call, we own, Jah can't deny. Yeah man, Zion call, the journey clear. We trod Jah path without no fear. The blessings of Jah, we always near. Zion call, we heart, we answer here. Yeah man, Zion call, the journey clear. We trod Jah path without no fear. The blessings of Jah, we always near. Zion call, we heart, we answer here.
Step in the morning, sun a shine so bright. Me feel the vibration, me soul full of light. Jah guide me every day, me journey feel right. Through the struggles and the trials, me keep the fight tight. Them can't stop me now, me keep the fire burn. Me roots run deep, me never will return. Me nah go back, me I go forward. Me heart full of love, me soul and me words. Jah bless, me step on the earth. Me rise from the ashes, show me words. Me roots run deep, me nah go fade. Me stay true to the path, me never afraid. Them try to break me, but me stronger than steel. The power in me blood, the fire me feel. Me walk in a Zion, me journey reveal. Me vision so clear, the truth me deal. Me nah follow the crowd, me blaze me own trail. Through the storm and the rain, me nah fail. Me free like the bird, me fly without sail. Me heart pure, me soul never frail. Jah bless, me step on the earth. Me rise from the ashes, show me words. Me roots run deep, me nah go fade. Me stay true to the path, me never afraid. Roots and culture, the foundation me stand. Me never stray from the truth, me understand. Me heart full of love, me mind full of plan. Me represent the motherland, Jah command. So me sing for the people, me sing for the soul. Me sing for the love that make me whole. Me roots run deep, me can't control. Me rise to the top, me set me goal. in protection. Me follow the path for the righteous connection. Me used to be lost, me wandering blind, but Jah found me, gave me peace of mind. Me used to be trapped, me soul confined, but now me free, me no longer behind. Walk the redemption road, me free, me whole. Me let go the past, me heal me soul. Walk the redemption road, me rise and glow. Me follow Jah Light, me never let go. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the pain. Me feel the blessings, me never complain. Me walk in a love, me walk in a rain. Me trust in Jah, the spiritual gain. Me used to be broken, but me found the strength. Me trust in the process, me go the length. Me learn to forgive, me heal, me length. Me walk with the Almighty, me take the breath. Walk the redemption road, me free, me whole. Me let go the past, me heal me soul. Walk the redemption road, me rise and glow. Me follow Jah Light, me never let go. Redemption me name, me know the sound. Me free from the chains, me feet on the ground. Me rise through the fire, me been around. Now me free in the spirit, me soul unbound. So me sing for the ones who lost the way. Me sing for the ones who cry every day. Me walk the redemption road, me say. Me rise in a truth, me free from this clay. ZionRoots. Afghan hash smoke, yeah man. Me a warrior, me fight for the truth. My heart in the struggle, me never aloof. The system try for hold me down, but me prove. Me rise like the sun, me never lose. Me link up with the elders, me hear the voice. Jah call me, me nah got no choice. Me stand on the front lines, me hear the noise, but my spirit strong, me make my own rejoice. Warrior of Jah, me rise up high, me face the storm, me touch the sky, me fight for the freedom, me never shy, me rising out the struggle, me testify. Me trust in Jah, me nah put it in man. Them can't break my spirit, I'm stronger than the plan. Me walk through the fire, me test the sand. Me rise up above, me stand on Jah land. Me use my words as my weapon. Me meditate, me fight for the people. Me seal my fate, me stay true to my roots. Me never late, me link with the Almighty. Me conquer hate, warrior of Jah. Me rise up high, me face the storm, me touch the sky, me fight for the freedom, me never shy, me rising out the struggle, me testify. Me walk with courage, my heart full of grace, me fight for the rights of the human race. My spirit free, me not bound by no place, me rise in a love, me free from the chase. So me rise, me stand, me move through the land with Jah by my side. Me make me stand, me a warrior of Jah. Me understand, me fight for the truth till the last command.
fire blaze high, it can't go low. The light of Jah shine everywhere we go. The righteous rise, the blessings flow. We chant Jah name, the truth we show. The system cold but Jah fire warm. We shield the youth from the wicked harm. The psalms we chant make the whole place calm. The fire of Zion bring the holy charm. Them try to silence the righteous song, but the fire of Jah make the vibes prolong. The truth are the weapon where we belong. We chant redemption till the wicked gone. Fire blaze high, it light the way. We stand upon the truth for Jah today. The love of Jah make the darkness stray. Fire eternal can't fade away. The battle tough, but Jah stand near. We fight with love, we no live in fear. The blessings of Zion, we always hear. The fire blaze high, make the path clear. Them try to hold we down, but we no break. We carry Jah light through the stormy lake. The righteous rise with the steps we take. We chant with the truth where Babylon fake. From the hills to the seas, Jah fire rain. It cleanse the soul, it remove the pain. The psalms we chant make the blessings gain. The fire of Jah can't contain. Fire blaze high, it light the way. We stand upon the truth for Jah today. The love of Jah make the darkness stray. Fire eternal can't fade away. Yeah man, fire blaze high and bright. We chant Jah name through day and night. The blessings of Jah make the future light. Fire eternal guide we fight. ZionRoots, 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 ZionRoots. Me walk through the valley, me eyes on the light. Me see Zion in the distance, me future bright. Me know the struggle, me know the fight, but me trust in Jah, me keep me heart tight. Me feel the power of the Almighty hand. Me trust in the wisdom, me take a stand. Me come from the earth, me come from the land. Me rise in a faith, me firm like the sun. Me a walk the light of Zion, me see the way. Me rise from the darkness, me live for the day. Me walk the light of Zion, me come fi stay. Me follow Jah's love, me never go stray. Struggle, me reach the stars above. Me light the way, me shine like a dove. Me free in the spirit, me blessed from Jah love. Me walk for the people, me fight for the truth. Me stand for the youth, me guide them in a youth. Me follow Jah's path, me no follow the sloot. Me rise in a love, me speak the proof.
Zion, me see the way. Me rise from the darkness, me live for the day. Me walk the light of Zion, me come fi stay. Me follow Jah's love, me never go stray. Zion me home, me roots never broken. Me faith in Jah, the truth me've spoken. Me rise like the sun, me never be forgotten. Me walk in the light, me always be open. So me walk the light of Zion, me see the way. Me rise in Jah's love, me follow the day. Me walk the light of Zion, me come fi stay. Me live for Jah, me never go stray. Oh, ZionRoots. Oh, oh. The system set, fi keep we down, but we rise up strong. We wear Jah crown, the ghetto youth a chant. We hold the ground, we burn Babylon lies, we always surround. The struggle real, but the fire burn bright. The lion roar loud in the darkest night. We know both the riches or the flashy light. We walk Jah path, the road of right. From Kingston to the world, the truth has spread. Jah guide the people, them rise from dread. The oppressors tremble, them spirit dead. We chant redemption, the righteous fed. Rasta Revolution, we lead the way. We chant the psalms, make the wicked sway. The fire burns strong, it can't delay. We rise with Jah love for a brighter day. Them take we culture, try fi dilute, but we hold it firm like the reggae roots. The drums them beat, it speak Jah truth. Rasta chant, high with the holy fruits. We no afraid fi Babylon, tricks and lies. Them can't match Jah strength, it no compromise. We stand firm, the lion spirit rise. Redemption a come, we see the skies. This system corrupt, it soon collapse. Them chains them break, we burn them traps. We call Jah name, the blessings lapse. The revolution chant can't relapse. Rasta Revolution, we lead the way. We chant the psalms, make the wicked sway. The fire burns strong, it can't delay. We rise with Jah love for a brighter day. Yeah man, the revolution start tonight. We shine Jah light, we burn the fight. From the hills of Zion to the city site. Rasta Revolution, righteous might. Oh, ZionRoots. Oh, oh. me spirit bold. Iron birds and plastic skies, still Jah message never dies. Me chant fi roots, me chant fi rain, me sing fi wash away the pain. Iron birds fly overhead, but roots man lyrics never dead. We rise like smoke from sacred fire. Me words ignite that ancient choir. Me walk through town, me feel the shift. Me third eye open, me soul uplift. Me know them lie from day to night. Me walk with truth, me walk with light. Them label I as rebel heart, but me just play me righteous part. Me not take sides in them election. Me chant fi real connection. Me not pray to money, me not bow down. Me wear me struggle like royal crown. Me family strong, me brethren deep. Me roots run wide, me roots run steep. Them offer contract, big man deal, but me not sign, me soul fi meal. Me rather hungry